Today I'm going to show you how to connect to your WhatsApp through the desktop or a computer, whatever you call it. It is a simple process. First, you need to have your computer with you and a mobile phone of which you will access your WhatsApp. Now you can visit the WhatsApp web from the Chrome, Firefox and Opera. For this matter, I'm going to use the Chrome app. Yes, you will write there www.whatsapp.com. You click. You will be redirected to such a menu. You will see the queue here. You clicked on WhatsApp web. This is the kind of menu you will be given. You will see a QR code. This is what we call a QR code. Now open your WhatsApp from your phone. WhatsApp, put your data on. WhatsApp. You can see 3 dots from the top right. WhatsApp web. You can see it here. Now once you are at this stage, you need to scan the QR code by pointing your phone to the monitor on the desktop. Now you do this is to position. You need to do this. It will recognize soon. We need to be patient. Yes, you can see. It is connecting. Yes, keep on. Now here, these are the options. This is my WhatsApp. Don't mind, please, to read what is there. Don't bother. This is the profile, but you cannot edit anything on this. This is the message issues. You can see some of my friends here. Okay, it's a simple process. All that. Thank you.